Hey YouTube, what's up and welcome to this video. My name is Joshua, I'm an artist in Barcelona and this is the workshop that I have here. Originally I'm from Belgium and I moved here just before quarantine 2020, and this is what I have achieved over the past couple of months, the past year, let's say it. And if you're new to my channel, the thing that I do is I make light art pieces. I try to make infinity mirrors, all kinds of different shapes using different materials. These are just examples, this is just one. That's the table, that's my most known piece so far. And in this video I'm going to try to explain to you guys why it is taking me so long to upload another video, the circumstances that I've had, and also a part of the progress that I've made over the past half a year. So guys, I'm going to dig into the video and I'll show you guys what's up. One of the first things is budget. As you can see just in this little part of the video, there's a lot of tools. I even just got this one fresh, a small welder. I just bought some new soldering equipment, so you can see another video coming about soldering lead strips and also one about starting with welding. But I have to admit, this has been a costly experience so far. I have spent a lot of money on this so far. I need to pay rent where I live in the city. I need to pay rent, of course, for this space. And it's all not that expensive, but of course, when I came here in quarantine, I lost my job, lost my income, and I did not have an income for a long time. I was really focused on this, but at a certain point, I was just forced to get a job. And I do have a job still right now. I actually work for Bosch and I'm actually proud of it. It's a very good, decent, well-paid job for here in Barcelona, and I work for the e-bike market, so for the Dutch and the Belgian market, because Dutch is my native language. So those are the people that I get over the phone, workshops, people that have issues with bikes that need a diagnose, that need to get fixed, things with warranty and so forth and so forth. I cannot go into too much detail, of course. But that's the main thing. And even for a short period, like I think 2.5 to 3 months, I had a second job. I'll put some screenshots in what I was doing. So I was a blog writer for Grow Diaries, and I did that for about 2.5 months. That went very well, was all extra income, and that was actually the thing that made me capable of buying the welder, the soldering equipment. It gave me some reserve, but of course I had absolutely no more time to come here. Fortunately, I was able to get into an exhibition. Again, I'll put some screenshots, I'll put some pictures of the way that I set it up, the way that it started and everything. But it was very hard to be there. I was not able to record a YouTube video. It was at a period only 6 people were allowed inside of the building at the time, with COVID rules changing every 5 minutes. For the thing that I'm doing, it makes it very hard to get my project really started, because the piece over there, the table, is something that I really want to put in events so that people see what are the possibilities with those things. But that's about it, that's what the whole thing is with time and budget. It's very important to have it, and I did not have it at the time. But now things are a bit more balanced out. I only have the full-time job with Bosch, so I still have more than enough time after my job to come here in the weekend. Like right now, it's a Saturday morning. I was the first one in the shop here, so it's nice and quiet to record this video, because that actually brings me to the next subject. That is my recording conditions. They are far from ideal so many times here in this little space. I really love coming here. I love this space. I love the collective. I love the other artists, the carpenters, the mechanics. We all have a good relationship, but I'm the only one here with a YouTube channel, and it is just incredibly hard sometimes to record. Because, and I understand it, I really hate to go and complain to them or to ask them to be more quiet. I did it on several occasions. It does not really work out. It is annoying for both sides to do that. And so now I just need to wait for moments that I can record here easily. So when there is no copyrighted background music, when there is no music studio next to me playing on the drums, when there is no person next to my booth cutting metal and wood, I just need to find the right moments. That will be Saturday mornings and Sunday mornings in the early hours. But that is good for me. That is perfect. It is not too warm right now. It's August. We have a heat wave. And it's, almost 31 degrees Celsius. I have my little meter there. And it's going to be pretty hot today. Still going to record another video. So make sure to like and subscribe. And so basically, like, the last thing that I kind of need to mention here is also I am putting a lot of time into 3D design. I really want to be able to make this table completely in my own design, completely fabricated by my own thoughts and ideas. I do not want to feel copied or like that I am copying from other people or anything like that. I really want to make my own art pieces, my own design. I can give you guys just a very small sneak peek of what is going on there, but of course I cannot show you guys too much. There is already a lot to find on the internet to make these cubes, but I want to make components so that I can make not only cubes, which will make it very easy for the future builds. So yeah, that will be about it for this video. So make sure to be ready for upcoming videos about welding, soldering, new pieces coming, new shapes coming. Subscribe, like, comment on the video what you saw, and yeah guys, a very big thank you. Bye.